Hey everybody, what's going on? Listen, it's my birthday, and guess what? I got something to unbox. Let's go. Listen, man, I'm excited. I wanted to try this out. My wife, my daughter, and my mother in law, they bought this for me, so let's get right into it. All right. So we have here Xerjoff, Erba Pura. Yeah. Get right to this unboxing of this right here. Woo. Ooh, first little thing. Oh, go. This is amazing. Listen, I'm excited. Ooh, wee. That here. Let's see what this looks like. This presentation. Ooh, wee. This. That. Let's go. See what we got here. Let's go open it. Are you ready? Ooh, look at that. That thing is beautiful. Woo. Love this presentation. Love the box. The box looks amazing. The inside. Oh man, this is gorgeous. That 100 ml bottle. Oh, I see something else in here as well. Okay. Comes with the scarf. The tie around it. Listen, the silk scarf. Listen. See, one thing the perfumer, he lives near a silk factory, so he puts a silk scarf in every box. This silk scarf is amazing. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let's see what's going on with this bottle right here. Nice teal, the Xerjoff logo, the top. Okay, take this off. It's heavy. The lid at the top is heavy. See what it's hitting for. Let's try this atomizer. See what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That smells amazing. Got a little orange, a little lemon. Mmm, that's amazing. A little bergamot in here. It's like a fruit basket. It smells amazing. This smells amazing. Like amazing. Ooh, I had to put a lot on. This is amazing. This is wow. Got a little amber vanilla bean in here. This is really good. This right here is a good buy. This right here, oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna hurdle with this one. This is ooh. Got the scarf to go with it. Oh, you gonna tell me nothing? Ooh, prepared to be sick of me. Ooh, look at this. Got the scarf on here. Let's see how this gonna look. Oh, look at this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Xerjoff Erba Pura. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. It smells amazing in here. I can't wait to wear this when I'm out. The people can smell me from a distance and say, oh my God, who is that? I'm going to say it's me. All of me. All right? Listen, this is it. It's the first unboxing. Number one, Erba Pura Xerjoff. This is the first one that I'm going to be doing. I'll keep doing some reviews, and it smells so good in here. I'm sorry. But I want to do some reviews of some other clones things I have going on. And this right here is the first one. I'm excited. So let's get it. And I want to mention, I want to shout out to the people at Neiman Marcus. Hooked me up. Gave me some samples to try. So we got in here. See what we got. What they gave me samples of. Ooh. Frederick Mall. They gave me Cardinal Flower. All right. What else they gave me? Portrait of a Lady. Oh, you already know. There's gonna be some fire right here. So I'm gonna do some reviews on these. See what else they gave me in here. Ooh, I like gifts. I like gifts. All right. Got some Arabians Tonka by Mattel. Got the Apex by Roja. Ooh. Rose of No Man's Land by Mojave. Listen, I know this is gonna be fire. I can't wait to review this sample. Right here. What else we got? Ooh, Iris Malakon by Mason Crivelli. Ooh, Stallion by Mason Crivelli. No, they hooked me up. Got more. Barredo, they gave me some Barredos. All right. What we got? We got Sunday Cologne by Barredo. Cellier by Barredo. And she gave you Baldy a Freak. Baldy the Freak. This is, woo. I can't wait to do these reviews. I'm gonna do a review on each one. So make sure you stay locked in to Dose of Fragrance. I'm your boy Cock Lover. Peace.